Hey guys, I am about to unbox my second ever All Elite crate. But my first one was the shirts. I got the cool one. I am about to unbox it. Cool. Alright, okay. I'm about to show you what I got, guys. Okay. Sorry, guys. My first one is... Ooh. Adam Cole's Big Bag t-shirt. That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm sorry, one. Oh, this is the Double or Nothing 2022. It's going to be live on pay-per-view May 29th. My second one is HANGMAN Page. Cool. I might keep this shirt. I don't know. Okay. Micro Ballers. Eddie Kingston. Double or Nothing pin. A Thunder Rosa sticker bonus. That's pretty cool. Oh, Dark Order's playing cards. Let's see what kind of playing cards I got. Cool, these are just playing cards. Regular playing cards. See? Has the back. That's pretty cool. Okay. Okay. And next is the Elite versus the Inner Circle Stadium Stampede poster from... Yep, 2020. Yep, here it is, guys. Pretty cool. And my autographs is 10. Yep. And then other one is, oops, sorry guys, a bonus autograph QT Marshall. This is pretty cool. And Dark Volume 1. Wow, this is pretty cool. Best of All Elite Wrestling Dark Volume 1. All Elite Crate exclusive. Which one? Oh, I'll give you one match. Brian Pillman Jr. versus Eddie Kingston. Here's the cheat sheet. I got that is it, guys. Double or Nothing 2022. Alright, I'll see you guys. Peace.